Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Unbounce templates for higher converting web design, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Unbounce account. Navigate to the templates section in the dashboard. Choose a template that aligns with your campaign goals. Click on the selected template to open the editor.
Familiarize yourself with the editor interface to understand all available tools.
Begin by customizing the headline to grab attention.
Use a clear, concise message that conveys the value proposition.
Next, focus on the call to action button.
Ensure the button stands out with contrasting colors. Use action-oriented text on the button, like Get Started or Claim Your Offer.
Adjust the layout to improve readability and flow.
Employ white space strategically to prevent clutter. Incorporate high-quality images that resonate with your audience.
Ensure that images are relevant to your product or service. Add testimonials or social proof to build trust. Position testimonials near the call to action for maximum impact. Utilize bullet points to highlight key benefits clearly. Minimize distractions by keeping navigation options simple. Test different font styles for readability and appeal. Choose a font size that is easily legible on all devices. Preview your design in mobile view to ensure responsiveness.
Make necessary adjustments to elements for a seamless mobile experience.
Consider adding a video to engage visitors further. Keep the video short and focused on your core message. Integrate analytics tools to track visitor behavior. Set up A/B testing for different elements of your landing page. Experiment with variations of headlines, images, and call to action text.
Analyze the results to determine which elements drive conversions. Continuously refine and optimize your template based on data insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.